How to share files and folders over network in Windows 11. So click on the Start menu, and here in the search, simply type Windows Tools. So click on it. Here you need to locate folder under name SMB features, yeah, and activate SMB client. After that, simply click on OK. It will load, so take patient. Okay, once done, you can simply restart your computer and changes should take effect. Next, what you can try is go to Control Panel and type here on the Start menu, type here Control Panel, go to Control Panel, select Network and Sharing Center. Here you need to click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings and make sure to activate it. If it's off, make it on. And after that, close the window. Okay, next what you can try is go to Start menu, type here Services, click on Enter, and here you need to locate Function Discovery Provider Host Properties and switch it automatic. Apply and OK. Next, go to Function Discovery Resource. Also make it automatic. Click on Start, Apply, and OK. And you need to also activate one more thing here. Let's go to SSD Discovery Properties. Also click on Automatic. Make sure to click on Start, Apply, and OK. Okay, the last what you can do is click on UPnP Device Host Properties. Click on Automatic. Make sure to click on Start. It will load, and after that, click on Apply and OK. Okay, let's close the window and simply restart your computer, and everything should work normally now. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.